Hi everyone, this is Brad. Let's say you found an article or a video that you'd like to save on Facebook. So here it is. I want to save this one from November 27th about the Philadelphia Eagles, and I want to select the three dots. When I select the three dots, I can select Save Video. Now this feature's been around for a little while. What I'd like to do though is I'd like to add it to a collection. Now I've already made some collections. This one's just called Sports here, so if I add it to Sports, it automatically goes into my Sports collection. Now, should you like to find those, you can go under Facebook, scroll down to under where it says Explore, and select Saved. So now you can see your collections right in here. You can also create a new collection, and I'll just call this one Sample 2. Select Create. Collection's been created. They're going to scroll across here. You can see how many items are in each one. And there you go. And you can quickly and easily find your collections. So that's how you can use the new My Collections in Facebook. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.